Hello students. Today we are going to study about the grammar sentences. Remove to. Yes students, when we remove to, we use so that. Look here. He was too big to keep at home. He was too big to keep at home. So remember that when we turn into so that or when we remove to, we just cancel a to and in the place of that we write so that. Okay, then if the sentence is positive, we will try to change it into negative and then keep whatever the subject is. For example, he is too big to keep at home. He was so big in the place of to, so big. In the place of another to, we cancel this and we wrote that he, the subject, that he could not be kept at home. Why we wrote could not be? Because it is auxiliary. Was is there, it is in the past tense, and so therefore we use it over here, could not be. If it was is, we will write cannot be kept at home. Let's have a look at the second sentence. I am too exhausted and homesick to do it today. I am too exhausted and homesick to do it today. What will you do? Rule 1 is that remove to and to. In the place of remove to, what we will use? So that. So, what will you write? See here. I am so exhausted and homesick that. Now, this is in the present tense. I am. Here we saw it was in the past tense was. So we wrote couldn't. Here it is in the present tense. So what we wrote? I am so exhausted and homesick that I cannot do it today. See the next sentence. It too needs to pause and breathe before it can go on. It too needs to pause and breathe before it can go on. What will you do? Remove to and to. In the place of to and to, so that and so. Therefore, have a look at this sentence, slightly different than the other two sentences. It also needs to pause and breathe before it can go on. It also needs to pause and breathe before it can go on. As I said, over here we did not use so that, but what did we use? It also needs to pause and breathe before it can go on. Just turn the page. Let's see the next sentence. Look here. He is too weak to play. He is so weak that he can't play. Why can't? Because it is in the present tense. Anil is too slow to catch the train. Anil is so slow that he can't catch the train. Did you get me, students? What did we do? Once you get the sentence, see that we will remove to and in the place of to we write so that. If the sentence is positive, you will turn negative by using so that. Anil is a boy. We know the gender. Therefore, Anil is so slow that he, in the place of Anil, he can't catch the train. Look at this sentence. Now, the juice is too sweet for me. The juice is too sweet for me. Now what? The sentence you will have to complete. The juice is so sweet that I can't have it. It's for me. In the place of for me, what you wrote? That I can't have it. Now, just have a look at the next sentence. He is too small for the competition. Can you make this sentence? Come on, try students. Try to make this sentence. He is too small for the competition. Can we make it in this way? See, he is so small that he can't go for the competition. Maybe he is 5 to 6 years old. Maybe he is very small. Though he has a talent, he cannot go. The next one. It was too cold to go for a walk. It was too cold to go for a walk. How will you write? It was so cold that I could not go for a walk. Why could not? Because the verb over here is given in the past tense, and so therefore you will use auxiliary could. He is too ill to attend any function. How will you write? He is so ill that he cannot attend any function. Okay, students? Look here. I am giving you this sentence as a homework and you will do it. It's too funny to argue. What you have to use? Use so that. It's too funny to argue. Please do it in the homework. I'll give you another sentence. The next one is, sorry students. The next one is, yesterday it was so wet that the workmen didn't do anything all day. You have to rewrite using to. Now what I said, just now what we studied is that by using so that. Just now I am telling you, I have given so and that, and I am telling you to rewrite by using to. Just try it. We will be doing these sentences in the next class, but just try to solve if you can. This I have just given you as an experiment. I want to see how many of you are able to solve. Okay students, so there is one more sentence. I am not giving it, but I will give it to you by using so that. Have a look at it. These sights were too moving for him not to go out at once into the world to seek enlightenment. Try to solve this sentence also. So only 2 to 3 sentences I have given you as a homework. Please do it. Have a good day. I have given you one sentence is different, which is that you will have to rewrite the sentence by using that. By using to. You have to remove so that. Okay? Have a good day.